All right. So, okay, let's start with today's lecture. See, I'm coming live here because I just thought to share with you something very, very important. Many people I have seen that they want to understand about how you can install the PostgreSQL, right? So, PostgreSQL is a database which is very, very important, and I know that many people are there. They want to understand about how you can do the installation of PostgreSQL database. So I'm live here because I want to show you guys uh, how you can install this PostgreSQL database. So we will try to see this practically. So everyone be with me, and if you have any questions, queries, anything, please let me know. We can discuss about that. Okay. So let me share my screen. I hope I can share my screen, and so I'll click on the entire screen here, and please let me know if you guys can see my screen. So today's topic will be your how to install the PostgreSQL. Okay, that is the today's topic. So I'm sharing my screen. All right. Okay. How to install. So this is a today's topic. Okay. Let me share my screen with all of you, and I'll try to monitor your questions also. That is the today's. Okay. Fine. So basically what I will do just to make you understand about what we are trying to do today, we'll start it in just 1 minute. Just give me a minute. Fine. Okay, can you guys see my screen? Fine. So today's agenda is basically PostgreSQL. Okay, what is PostgreSQL? PostgreSQL is a database. It's just a database, just like we have other databases are there. So this is also a database where, what is database? Database is mainly useful when you want to store a data. Okay, now let's take an example. We store a data and we use this database everywhere. Like you take an example, let's say there is a user one, or just a person like you and me. I'm going to the bank, and in the bank I'm creating some account. Okay, so I'll go to the bank and I'll create some account. I'll open the bank account, and when I'm opening the bank account, after opening the bank account, I will do deposit, right? I'll do deposit, I'll withdraw some money. So whatever transactions which you do on your account, that transactions will be recorded to your database, right? So database is mainly useful when you want to store the transactions. Whenever you are doing any transactions, let's say you are booking the tickets, let's say you are booking the tickets by using IRCTC, let's say you are booking the movie ticket by using Book My Show, let's say you are purchasing any product from the Amazon, everything, wherever the transactions come, there that database will be there. Now all the banking system like your SBI, ICCI, HDFC, Dutch Bank, Citibank, whatever banks you have, they will use a database to store their data. All the account details, all the transactions, all the withdrawal, all the loans, every information will be stored inside this database. So when bank is coming, bank is saying that, okay, which database you want to use? There are multiple different databases are there. Just like I have a mobile phone. So when company is launching a phone, there are multiple mobile phones are there. Like we have iPhone is there, we have Samsung is there, we have MI is there, we have different phones are available in the market, right? Similar way, different databases are available in the market. So just like we have a Oracle database, similar way we have one more database is there. We called it as a PostgreSQL database. Then we have MySQL database is there. Then we have SQL Server databases are there. These are the different databases are there, provided by the different company. Like Oracle database provided by Oracle only. PostgreSQL and MySQL, these are the open source database. Open source. There were a set of people. they created the database, and then they hand over it to the community, saying that okay, you take care of this database now. So that community, or the people like you and me, they are doing the development of this database, but it is completely open source. Means this database code is available free of cost. This database code is available free of cost, and anyone can make the changes as per their requirement. SQL Server is a database which is provided by the Microsoft. So today's lecture is mainly about, like, how you can install the PostgreSQL. How you can install PostgreSQL. This is the today's lecture. What is the today's lecture? The today's lecture is mainly responsible how you can install the PostgreSQL. Basically, the main intention about the today's lecture is how you can install the PostgreSQL. So basically, I want to install this database. As I said, we have a multiple databases are there, but I am more interested towards PostgreSQL database as of now. Now, when I want to install the PostgreSQL database, this database, it's just a software, like we have an operating system, and under that operating system we install other softwares, just like you take example of Microsoft Office, you take example of Google Chrome. These are the softwares which we install under this Windows operating system, correct? Similar way, you can install the database also. Which database? PostgreSQL, SQL Server. So basically, you have an operating system, and under that operating system, you are going to install PostgreSQL database software. PostgreSQL is a database, but it is a software only. But for that, what you need an operating system. Now, this PostgreSQL, you can install it Windows. You can install it on where you can install Mac operating system. You can install it on Linux operating system. You can install it in different operating system also. Wherever you wish, you can install it. That's not a problem. Wherever you wish, you can install it. So today, basically, my target is that I want to install this on Windows operating system. So basically, my current architecture will be, I'm already having my Windows 11 machine here. I'm already having my Windows 11 machine. And on the top of this Windows 11 machine, I'm going to install this PostgreSQL database. So if you are liking this video, if you think that I'm doing some good job, please comment. Please comment, like, if you want to proceed this, just comment like interested. Just comment like interested, so that I will get some, I'll get some confidence that okay, you people are very much interested. So today's lecture will be based on how you can install PostgreSQL database on the top of Windows 11. In future lecture, I'm going to show you how to install the PostgreSQL on Linux operating system. On Linux also, I'm going to show you in future. Then we can talk about the PostgreSQL commands, different queries we are going to learn. This is my plan. Okay, my plan is very super plan I'm having. I'm ready to spend my some time with all of you, but only the thing is, you just comment interested, so that I'll get to know that whether you people are interested, whether you people are interested to cover up all these PostgreSQL related stuffs. So just mention PostgreSQL interested in the comment section, and I'll take care of that. Okay, are you people interested to start this PostgreSQL part and all? Is it clear? Is it clear, guys? Till now, whatever we discuss, is it clear? If it is clear, then let me know. If it is clear, then let me know. Okay. So first of all, what I will do, I will download the PostgreSQL. My first plan is, see, whenever you want to install something, you need to download, right? So first thing is, I'm going to download PostgreSQL. I'm going to download PostgreSQL for Windows. Okay, remember that, because you have a separate setup for Windows, you have a separate setup for Linux. And then the second step will be installation of Postgres. That is the second steps. So I'll just open any browser and just search like download PostgreSQL for Windows. Just search like this, download PostgreSQL for Windows. You will get the first link from the website called PostgreSQL only. Just open that, and the latest version, of PostgreSQL is 16. Okay, the latest version of PostgreSQL is 16 here. Okay, so if you want to download from here, you can download from here. So where you want to download? I want to download on Windows. Okay, I want to download for Windows. So this is a link. Okay, I'll copy this link. You can click here, and in the chat option I'll mention this. So this is a link where you can download. You can download from Enterprise DB. This is official website from where you can download the PostgreSQL. Enterprise DB, I would say that it is a company where they provide support to the PostgreSQL database. Normally, what happened that um, the main problem with the PostgreSQL is like when you are facing any challenges in real-time production environment, you need a support. Someone needs to be provide the support, right? Because maybe there is some issue with the development itself. Maybe you have some bugs available in the PostgreSQL database. So in that time, DBA team cannot do anything. They need to rely on some support team only. Like if you have some issue with the Oracle, you normally reach to the Oracle support team. Similar way, if you have issue with the PostgreSQL, you can reach out to the community support, but it will be very slow. But if you use the enterprise version of PostgreSQL, so this company will provide you some support, Enterprise DB. So today's agenda is basically I want to install the PostgreSQL, and we have multiple versions are available here. So let's take an example of 16.2, and I want to download it for Windows. So I'll just click here. Oh, what is the problem? Okay, so I can see it's getting started downloading. So what I did, I have started downloading the PostgreSQL. I think multiple copies is getting started. Let me stop this. So this is a PostgreSQL downloading is in progress. But this is for Windows. Okay, remember that I'm already having my Windows operating system installed. So this is my Windows operating system which I'm using right now. Okay, is it clear, guys? Till now, whatever we discuss, is it clear? Please say yes, no, whatever it is. Please say whatever we discuss. Is it clear? All right. So I can see here that the downloading is complete. So I'll just open this setup, and by default it will get downloaded to the download folder. Now what I will do, I'll just double click on it or right click and run it as administrator, because some of the laptop may not have privileges or to install this software, right? So I'm just downloading and installing it as administrator. Just like we have a root user is there, right? Similar way, we have administrator user is there in the Windows. Through that, I'm going to do the installation. Click on the next. Where you want to install this, by default directory will be C drive. If you want to install it in C drive, you can use C drive. If you want to change the location, you can use D drive, E drive, whatever drive you want to select. I'm okay with the C drive. Make sure that you have 30-40 GB space is available inside the C drive. Otherwise, your installation may get stopped because of this space issue. I want to install PostgreSQL pgadmin 4. Stack builder is not required much, but let it be, and command line tools. This is, please select a directory which store your data. When you are doing the PostgreSQL installation, it will internally create your data files and all. So where you want to store that? So I want to store by default in the C drive only. Again, as I said, if you do not have a space available, then please change it to other drive. Okay, click on next. Click on next, and finally it has started doing the installation of your PostgreSQL database. So please ensure pg admin server is okay. I may get some because I'm already having this. So now it started. Okay. I hope you people are able to understand whatever I'm discussing till now. So basically what we have done, the first part is we have downloaded the PostgreSQL. Again, I said for Windows, we have a different setup, and for Linux, we have a different setup. Okay. We have a two different setups are there for Windows as well as for Linux. You can also install this PostgreSQL um, on your Mac operating system. Okay. How to install the PostgreSQL on Linux, I'm going to show you in the next lecture. So just wait for next few days, and I'm going to talk about that. But again, for that I need the support from everyone, because if I see that you people are watching me, you people are very much interested to talk about this, I'll definitely do that. Okay. Now your installation part is in progress, so you can see the progress over here. It will take some time to complete the PostgreSQL installation. So the demand of the PostgreSQL database is keep increasing in the market. Um, Oracle is a database which is widely used in the banking system wherever you need high level of uh, security, whenever you need um, high performance and all. That time people are going through the Oracle database, but again Oracle is not free of cost. You need to take the license. So normally what happen, like when people are you like the companies like mid-scale companies, small companies are there who cannot afford the licensing cost of the Oracle database, so they normally go through PostgreSQL. Okay. Because PostgreSQL is free of cost, both are doing the same thing. There are some challenges with the PostgreSQL, like let's say you need some support and all. So usually you will not get the support. Okay. And if you need the support, you need to reach out to the enterprise DB, and that will be paid service again. Okay. So that's the main difference. Understanding, guys? Can you please like this video? Can you please like this video if you're able to understand? It will take some time to complete this instruction, but I will proceed with that. Apart from this, like we do provide, since we have some free time, I'm just telling you all these things. We do provide the trainings on different technologies like Oracle DBA, RAG DBA, Golden Gate. Currently we are going to start with our new batch, which is data analytics, and we are also going to start with our DevOps. Okay, very soon. From the next 2 days, in the next 2 days, we are going to start this DevOps batch. So those people who wish to understand about the DevOps, they can reach out to us. Okay. Meanwhile, like you will see a lot of free blogs are available on this learnomate.org. You can go to the recorded courses, and there are some of the courses like real-time Oracle DB tools and utilities, and SQL for beginner. This SQL course is free of cost. Okay. So if you want to take the advantages, or if you want to understand this course free of cost, you can please do that. Okay. No problem. So what's up? How's going? Any questions so far for me? So basically my plan is to talking about the PostgreSQL, a lot of videos I'm going to upload. Okay. So one by one we will start it. Okay. And we'll try to understand it. Any question for me? Let me know if you have any questions. What is the status? It's taking time. Okay, it will take some time, but don't worry, it will be done very smooth. In PostgreSQL, we have a tool called, normally if you take the example of Oracle, and if you want to run any queries on Oracle, like your SQL queries and all, you will have a team called SQL developer, right? So SQL developer is a tool where you can run your queries, right? Normally your application team, your SQL team or your database team, they will use this SQL server, right? Similar way, in the PostgreSQL we have PG admin is there, PG admin. So I have started downloading and installing the PG admin also. Inside the PG admin you can run your SQL queries. SQL queries. This is also GUI platform which you can use. Okay, just wait, it's almost done. Mhm. Almost done, guys. If you have any questions, queries, anything, let me know. Okay, we can discuss about that. I know that it's taking time, uh, but again, we cannot do anything. We just need to wait. Okay, almost done now. Okay, almost done. This is the last step, and then we can simply, okay, start, finish. That's it. So if you go and search here with the PG admin 4, this is the area where you can run your PostgreSQL queries. We have also we have also installed the PG admin. You can use this PG admin tool or utility, especially when you want to do the practice of your PostgreSQL queries. Okay, you can use that. You can also use the pSQL shell. This is also way. This is also pSQL shell. You can connect and you can use that. So this is a PG admin, guys, which you can use where you can run your queries. So if you go to the server, you need to enter the password. I have entered my password here, and this is a PostgreSQL database. This is a by default database will be created with the name Postgres. And if you just click here, so you can just search it with the pSQL tool. And this is the location where you can run your queries. You can use the query tool also. and in this query table you can create your tables and all. You can do that, like let's say create table student. So I'll say um, id int 10. Okay, so you can create multiple table. Let me show you, just give me a minute. So I'm just going here, pg admin. So you can create id integer 10, then you can say name, you can use varchar 10 semicolon, and this is the way you can execute the query. Okay, I got error integer. What is the data type we used? So table has been created. Now if I want to insert some data inside this table, so I'll say insert into student values. Let's say id is 1 and name is Learnomate, and let me execute this query. So I have inserted one record. Let me try to do select star from table name, and when I'm trying to select the data, I should be able to see that record. So I can see this record is there. Whenever you are performing any DML operations, you need to do commit. Commit means your changes will be permanently successful. Now even if I try to see this data by tomorrow, I should be able to see this table. Okay, so this is the way, basically you can install the PostgreSQL database on your Windows. So my intention was very clear that I should tell you like how you can install the PostgreSQL database on your Windows, and how you can use the PG admin. In the next lecture, I'll talk about how to use the different queries, how to use psql, how to use the command line shell. All these things I'll be discussing in the next lecture. But meanwhile, please let me know if you guys able to understand. Please mention into the comment section that you people are very much interested. I'll show you this how to use this psql shell, how to use and all these things in the next lecture. Okay, because within the first lecture it's not possible to cover up everything, but I'll definitely do that. Only the expectation from your side that let me know if you guys are interested to learn about the PostgreSQL free of cost. Please subscribe to this channel, share this channel with everyone, with your friends, family and everything. We'll take care of that. Okay, and I'll keep it very simple so that everyone will understand. Okay, so thank you for joining. I hope you enjoyed the today's section. Bye bye guys.